Hello, welcome to Jessy Toys 911. Today we have Splashings, an ocean full of friends. This beautiful mermaid collection toy is so nice. Thanks to TPF Toys for sending out this toy so I can review it here on my channel. So today we have the Coral Playground, and we have a 6-pack, we have a 12-pack Splashings, and then we have all those blind bags. This is the first time ever I'm gonna open them on my channel. So we have the shell, we have a blind bag, and we have this kind of blind bag. It consists of some characters we can collect, and we can collect 100 of them. So here's a look from the back. We have a slide, we have a swing, we have a hide and seek, ooh-hoo. And then we have splashing water here, and we can connect all our splashings over here on those cutie plants. So let's open them and discover all those cute characters we can collect. Let's open this splashings. Contains 2 splashings, and here are the characters we can collect. Let's open it in here, and let's see our 2 characters. Oh wow, so look at that. We have this, and then we have this cute Cancer. Let's see the names. It comes with a collecting guide, so we can see all the creatures that we can collect. So this is from the Treasure Pet collection. Amy Anchor. That's her name, Amy Anchor. They really look like Shopkins, kind of, but they're like cutie. And then we have this Clodid Carp. Next, let's open this kind of blind bag. From here, we have a little knot here, and we can open it. Ooh, look at this cutie Dolphin. Is it Dolphin? Let's see. Yeah, it is. The Fin Friends, from the Fin Friends, and her color is pink. We have Atlantica, and we have Angelina in yellow, Angelina in purple and white, and we have Marilla and Windy Wings. So here we have all the characters, and here we have all the information that we need to know about Angelina. Sees 2 sides to every story. She has trouble making up her mind, but she can find the good in anyone, no matter their stripes. Oh, that's awesome. That's an awesome tip for us. Have the shell. Look at that goodie. Oh, looks so pretty. Let's open it. Ooh, and then we have another 2 characters. Yay! Now we have the blue dolphin, and we have this transparent starfish. Wow, look at that. She's so transparent and so nice and so glittery and purple. And her name is Twinkle. Here we have a 6-pack. Ooh, look at the cute mermaid. Ooh, and it moves like that. So she moves her tail, and she's all putting her earrings, and she's blonde, and she's so pretty. Now we have some other characters. We have this purple fish. Oh, look. We have this sea turtle. And guess what? It's squishy, and it's so cool. Look how squishy it is. So it's squishier than Shopkins, actually. And then we have this Cancer kind of thingy. Now we'll see her name. And we have a surprise shell over here. Ooh, look at that nice purple shell. We open it and find our secret treasure. And it's a scorpion, Claudio. Ocean Gems, and her name is Pinchy Pearl. Splashing Coral play set and discover how to play with it. So here we have the snail that we can swim here over here. I filled that with water. And then we have this cute Marilla, this cute mermaid. Her name is Marilla, and we can put her here so she can swing. Mermaid. Ooh, floating ring and this snail. The cute thing is that we can remove the snail and we can add any character we want, like that. So let's slide this seahorse from here. If we want to slide, we're gonna put the float here and then we press here so it will go down. Let's try 1, 2, 3. Oop. Woo. Uh-oh. One more time. 1, 2. Yay! Now let's fill all our splashings here. So we have this one. We can turn this wheel around so our mermaid here will swing. Woohoo! Oh, that's so cute. Ooh, did you see that? Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. Woohoo! Yeah, look at the turtle, happy and having some fun. So this was our play set. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and come back to see the rest of the splashings here on my channel. Until then, see you next time. Bye bye.